What was the most harsh rejection that you experienced by a girl? When I was an undergraduate at university, I stayed off campus at a mixed females and males commune. There were 3 girls and 5 guys. 2 of the girls stayed in the room beside mine on the left, while the other was in the room opposite. Living in a house with both guys and girls meant that eventually, some of us were going to be attracted to one another naturally. In fact, the guy who was staying in the room to the right of mine was dating one of the girls. However, for some time, they were constantly fighting. I fell for the girl who lived on the left. I tried by all means for 2 weeks to pretend that I didn't have a crush on her, partially because I didn't have the courage to ask her out. I eventually asked her out, but she said she was busy with her studies and thought it wasn't a good idea to date someone she was sharing a house with. 2 weeks later, I found out she was dating one of the guys who also stayed at the commune. That's when it really crushed me. The same girl who said dating someone she was sharing a house with wouldn't work for her, and who was supposedly too busy with her studies, suddenly found time to date another guy in the same house she was living in. I was crushed for a few days, but managed to get over it quickly, as I kept telling myself that if we had dated, she probably wouldn't have been honest with me, just as she wasn't honest about why she didn't want to date me in the first place.